Salvete omnes. Let's finish up this first section of the Aeneid, Book 1. Talia voce refert curisque ingentibus aeger, spem vultu simulat premet altum corte dolorem. He calls out such great words with his voice, and sick with huge cares, he pretends hope with his face, with his expression, and he presses down deep grief in his heart. So these lines are just describing Aeneas after he gave his big, hopeful speech to his men, and it's basically saying that he's disheartened too, he's sad too, and he's just having to put on a brave face for the sake of his men and the continuation of their journey into Italy. But he is really upset. He's sick with huge cares, and he has to pretend hope on his face, and he presses down deep grief in his heart.